Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to solve MCQs on acid base balance, right? So this is just to solve MCQs. This is not like a conceptual video, right? You can solve around 90% MCQs with this. So let's start. First step is history, based on which you will decide whether it is metabolic or respiratory. Like if there is a problem in metabolic system like chronic kidney disease or something, you will say that primary defect is metabolic, and if patient history is something like COPD or respiratory failure, you can say the primary defect will be respiratory. Then the second thing is this one formula, which can help you diagnose any defect within minutes to just solve MCQ. And keep in mind that this is not the full length video, and if you want I will teach you in full length, but for NEET PG student this is enough, right? First thing is ROMS. So respiratory, everything will be opposite, and metabolic, everything will be same. Okay, so first is pH. It will be same in any of the course. Like if it is decreased, it is always acidosis. If it is increased, it is always alkalosis. So it is respiratory acidosis and respiratory alkalosis, metabolic acidosis and metabolic alkalosis. But primary defect and compensation will change. So primary defect in respiratory will be PCO2, and primary defect in metabolic will be HCO3 minus. Then just remember this one, so you can just cross over to compensation, right? Now what I mean by respiratory opposite, so if in respiratory acidosis this is decreased, then all the primary defect and compensation will increase. And if it is alkalosis, then both primary defect and compensation will decrease. Okay, and in metabolic it is same, means if metabolic pH is decreasing, then primary defect and compensation will also decrease, and if pH is increasing, primary defect and compensation will also increase. Now there is one more thing called anion gap. Now you don't have to remember this anion gap as a whole, but I will put some causes of anion gap, if it is high anion gap or normal anion gap metabolic acidosis. But at this step you can solve 90% of any acid base balance MCQ easily. Thank you so much to watch this little video, and in future I will take conceptual lectures, which is more like full-fledged classroom lectures. Okay, so thank you so much, and share as much as you can.